Hello everyone, my name is Dailin. Um, I'm a EB seller. I sold items 100 pieces already. I've been selling clothing for um, since 2018. I started my business since 2018 just for part-time side hustle. But because I see potential that it's worth it. So I try to be consistent and I try um, to pursue it, not just only for side hustle, but for uh, how you call that, for like full time. So I did full time just 1 year ago. I just tried to full time, but uh, and since 2018 I do part time and side hustle this EB seller, but because I'm busy. But because this time, like 2025, I start to be like full time, like consistently, uh, uh, how you call that? Consistently listing and replying all my uh, buyer message and everything. So I and then I do listing at least 5 items a day, but sometimes I forget. So but you know what? I see a potential that if you do listing every day, and I notice, and that's what other people say. If you do listing every day, you will get a consistently sold items. And that's what I noticed too. So that's why I try my best to do listing every day. But that's why I need to write down what time and what how many pieces I need to put on my store and listed it. I need to have a power. I need to have a motivation sometimes because sometimes my daily life is busy and something like that. So but I notice my income for that since 2018, and then like every year is not much because it's side hustle only, but this year 2025 I notice I like it. I like the result of what I do. So I try my best in 2026. I try my best to do it more consistently and more doing it. That's why they said, and I will say it here, that if you do consistently, and they said, active store is a happy store. Oh, yeah. So if you're active, then your store is happy. So I try, not try, but I will do it. Just like other businesses but it's hard to do it alone, guys. If you do full time, I think it's hard to do it alone. I think you need somebody to, like printing all the levels and sold items, and sometimes, guys, I overwhelming too much because every time, especially like this December is coming, a lot of people buying, and sometimes, oh my god, where I put my my items. I need to search my items. I need to get my items. I need to do right away. So I need to manage it all the time. So you can say, next time, next time, next time, and until you delayed your items to ready to ship. So you need to be prepared for that. So, but it's fun, guys. It's fun to sell online because I have lots of uh, I have lots of buyer that they are nice. Sometimes they give me a positive feedback, and most of it positive feedback, and I like it, and it's make me growing. It's make me how you call that? Oh my god. It's make me more motivated if somebody give me a feedback. This seller is AE plus. So I'm so happy for that, guys. Thank you for giving me a positive feedback. So so on my YouTube channel, guys, everything everything is all is EB business, my EB business. I will update all the time what I do for my EB business, how I grow my EB business, and what I use for all the equipment that I'm using, and how and how I store my items. Oh, did you see this, guys? Did you see this? Our pantry is full of clothes that I'm selling. I put organized, very nice, organized, and I need to make sure to send the items when somebody buy it. I need to make sure uh, the the items is nice and clean and ready to go. So so uh, I have few also I have few also return, and before it's hard to do it because oh my gosh, how to do this, something like that. But being first time, it's hard, but now I know how to deal with it. So not all the time I have a return. So it's like 100 items, if you one return, it's depend, guys. So sometimes it happen, sometimes it's not fit for them, so they will say sorry, it's not fit for me, so I will return it. So that's it. So just like regular uh regular store. So guys, if you like this video, and if you want more EB business uh thing, just comment below, and thank you for watching. Bye bye, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So my YouTube channel, guys, is been there for since 2018 also. Since I start my EP business, I do also my YouTube channel, but I don't know what to do, so I'm posting random stuff or something. But now I'm back. I decided to use my YouTube channel for my business, and that's what I'm gonna start this first video that I will post. So good luck to me and good luck to my channel. So thank you, guys. I hope you support me. I'm a small business owner. Oh, I'm a Filipina entrepreneur uh, here in America. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you want to support me, give me a thumbs up, and uh, thumbs up, and you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.